Simplify 3 root 5 minus 5 root 2 into 4 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Let us solve this question. We have two terms here and two terms here, and there is a multiplication sign in between. So what we do is, we take the first term 3 root 5 multiplied by the second expression, which is 4 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Then we pick up the second term from the first expression, which is minus 5 root 2 multiplied by the second expression, which is 4 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now we have to simply expand and solve this. So this is equal to 3 root 5 gets multiplied into 4 root 5 plus 3 root 5 multiplied by 3 root 2. Next we have minus 5 root 2 multiplied by 4 root 5 and minus 5 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2. Solving it further, 3 root 5 into 4 root 5. Here we can multiply the integers together and these roots together. So we get 3 4s are 12. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. Plus, same technique we are going to use here. So we have 3 root 5 into 3 root 2. So we have 3 into 3 and root 5 into root 2, which gives us 3 3s are 9 into root 5 into root 2 is root 5 into 2 minus, same way we get here 5 into 4 20 root of 2 into 5 minus 5 into 3 is 15, root 2 into root 2 is 2, which is equal to 12 into 5 60 plus 9 into root of 10 minus 20 into root of 2 into 5 is 10 minus 15 into 2 is 30, which is equal to, let's collect the integers together, that is 60 minus 30 and the number with roots together, which is 9 root 10 minus 20 root 10, which is equal to 60 minus 30, we get here 30 plus, we can take root 10 as common. So inside we get 9 here minus 20 over here, which is equal to 30 plus root 10 into 9 minus 20, which is minus 11. Now this can be written as 30 minus 11 root 10. And that is our answer. See how easy it was. You just have to start solving it. Use the simple tricks, use the rules that you know, and you get the answer in no time. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.